We're rolling.
Okay, we're up above Seven Stones right now. You can see the house of the owner, Ron and Anita Warnick, behind us. This property originally was part of the Meadowood property, our local club here, and it was owned by Bill Harlan. It was given to him as part of his investment into Meadowood, and he sold it nearly immediately. Mainly because I don't think he could find water on the property. The Warnicks dug a huge well, and now we can plant grapes up here. So we have these 7 blocks and very small acreage planted, 3.03 acres total, and a dominating view of the Napa Valley, as you can see. All Cabernet Sauvignon except for a tiny block of Cabernet Franc.
So that's the Franc block down there.
The Franc's behind the house. Unfortunately, we can't see it from here.
Oh, okay.
We can see the sculpture by Richard Deutsch that gave Seven Stones its name, though, made from 7 giant pieces of granite. We still find a couple of shards of that granite in the vineyard down there as well, every once in a while.
So we're just kind of doing a quick panoramic of the Napa Valley floor. It's quite an extraordinary vantage point up here at Seven Stones.
You can see all the way down to Mount Diablo. I can barely make it out in the trees down there. Pritchard Hill.